Hello everyone, I Kapil welcome you all on CDS Nexus. Today we are going to do discussion on this. What happens if Iran chooses to leave the nuclear non-proliferation treaty? Okay, so first of all you should know about कि ये NPT क्या है. NPT means non proliferation treaty. So you know that in 1945 USA dropped nuclear bomb on Japan. Then they saw the devastating impact of nuclear bomb on Japanese people. Then world leaders came forward that we have to reduce the proliferation of nuclear weapons because nuclear weapons are very dangerous. When it used, they can emit radiation, and nuclear waste also very harmful. So that's why leaders have that idea, we have to curb production of nuclear weapons. So then non proliferation treaty came into existence. Okay. So NPT aims to prevent the spread of nuclear weapons and weapons technology and to foster peaceful use of nuclear energy to further the goal of disarmament. Okay. So initial goal is that कि हमें न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स को प्रिवेंट करना है स्प्रेड होने से, एंड हमें पीसफुल यूज करना है न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी का. लाइक वी कैन यूज न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी फॉर आवर सिविल पर्पज, फॉर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड फॉर अदर नीड्स. ओके, सो दैट वाज द मेन एम of this NPT, and world leaders adopted this in 1968, but it came into force in 1970. And who kept or who monitored countries that they do not work on the proliferation of nuclear weapons? International Atomic Energy Agency. So they are the watchdog of proliferation of nuclear weapons. Okay, so I hope you got the NPT. Then initially, like P5 country has nuclear weapons. You know that which are P5 country, which are the permanent member of United Nations Security Council: US, UK, France, China and Russia. So these are the P5 country. So these country can hold nuclear weapons because they put a condition like this, जो 1 जनवरी 1967 से पहले weapons को टेस्ट कर लेगा, they will keep the nuclear weapons, but other will not kept nuclear weapons or will do test. So 191 state joined the treaty, but India has not signed it. India found it discriminatory because इन लोगों के पास तो थी and India doesn't have, so we have not signed the treaty. And I think it was good decision because if China having nuclear weapons, then India should have, and Pakistan also didn't sign because जो हम करेंगे Pakistan follow that thing. Then North Korea have signed the treaty, but they withdraw from it in 2003 because they developed the nuclear weapons. Okay. So currently 9 countries have nuclear weapons. Usually Israel say they don't carry any nuclear weapons, but they carry. Okay, that's why you will see Israel in the list of nuclear weapons. So our main question was this: what if Iran chooses to leave the NPT? So basically Iran was the part of NPT, and in NPT there is called Article 10 that you can leave the NPT on some extraordinary condition. Just you have to tell which kind of extraordinary condition they are. So let's suppose Iran leaves the treaty. So the watchdog of nuclear weapons proliferation, International Atomic Energy Agency, could not able to monitor like what happened if this country will sign NPT, then member of this agency will go to this country to see their nuclear sites, whether they are using nuclear sites for their civilian purpose or for military purpose. But if they will leave this treaty, then Atomic Energy Agency member could not able to go in this country to see whether they have acquired 90% uranium enrichment for nuclear weapons, or they are just using it for peaceful purposes. So that is the main issue. So there is no monitoring of Iran, then Iran can work on its nuclear weapons so fast, and they can increase the warheads and also can destabilize the Middle East. Okay, so that's why it is necessary that Iran should be part of NPT. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video informative, and if do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.